So this morning totally didn't video. We were trying to get out of camp as soon as possible. We got a 20-something mile day today to Harpers Ferry. Yeah, I'm so excited. About to cross Route 40 down here. Got the original Washington Monument today. We also have some Giffey's tomb or something. I don't know. And something else, but pretty excited. But I got a long day ahead, trying to get there before 5 so we can get our picture taken by the Conservancy, get our little Polaroid picture taken. Pretty awesome, can't wait. So I'm eating a snack while I'm videoing this thing, but this is the original Washington Monument. It's pretty great. There's signs down the path there that kind of explain George Washington's presidency and like when he took office, and got the Maryland state flag there, and I'll go up that later. We'll come around here, but I'll tell you a little bit of the history later, but this is pretty cool. Nice view. Oh yeah, so it was, wow, it's a lot of rocks. That view is pretty awesome. But it was constructed in 1827 on July 4th because the citizens of Boonesboro wanted to celebrate their July 4th in commemorating George Washington. So they built this thing, this obelisk. It was pretty cool. It's pretty tall as well, but you can go inside and that's about it. There should be a picture at the end of the video of this sign that is associated with this monument, but look at that view. That view is pretty awesome. Alright, so we're in Gasland State Park. Some pretty awesome buildings around here. But there is a burial plot for Gath, which is George Alfred Townsend. Somewhere up there, I would presume. But anyway, that's where he was supposed to be buried. Don't think he was ever buried there. But anyway, we're getting some history while we're here. And moving on. We got 6 miles till we're like going downhill. We got 9 left, or 9.7 left, and we're not gonna make it there by 5, just because that's a super unrealistic goal right now. That would probably hurt quite a bit, and I'm not trying to kill myself, you know, walking to Harpers Ferry. I could just, you know, get to the Conservancy tomorrow morning. It's not that big of a deal. is just a number. Just a number to me. Not that big of a deal, but anyway, I would assume that this would be his burial plot. But anyway, going up the trail, you know what's been really interesting is Maryland has had quite a few, I mean, really cool things that we've gone through. Some, let's see, you know, stuff like that. It's full of history along this trail, and a lot of little things. I mean, earlier I forgot to pull out my phone, and we went past where 2 generals were killed in the Civil War, and they had this whole like thing, you know, made up for them, and that was just on the side of the road that we were passing over. But it's been pretty awesome, and it's a gaff. The guy, his tomb, not whatever I said this morning. I didn't even look at it this morning. All I knew was it started with a G. But anyway, cruising down the AT. It has been like northern PA, basically. It's been pretty rocky. Not like this, even worse. But we're moving at about 3.6 miles in like an hour and 7 minutes. So we're trying to hustle, but at the same time we're trying to, you know, enjoy everything. A really bad combination, hard to do. Alright, well, this is the Edward Garvey shelter. This thing is incredible. They have a door and some windows up there with a ladder leading to a porch. And there's the lovely privy. And the inside of the shelter I'm about to show you. Whoever left that going, you're not that smart, because that was quite hot and still on fire when we were at the shelter when we got here. But this is the inside of the shelter. Pretty awesome. And then there's there's an upstairs part as well. You have to get to it from the back. I assume that's the bear box, which is awfully close. I would hate for a bear to trying to get in that thing if I was sleeping right there. But well done. These shelters are pretty awesome. But anyway, the only complaint I have with this shelter here is the spring, which the trail is right down there to the spring. It's a half a mile down the mountain. So I apologize for the noise already, but I think trains hate us a lot. If we're trying to make it to Harpers Ferry, we have 50 minutes to get to Harpers Ferry before they close today, and we have 2.8 miles. And look what's blocking our path right now. We have to get over that. Not fun. I'm not too happy. But you can't really complain. You know, humankind put a railway right here. So anyway, whatever. It's pretty long. We've been standing here a minute or two. I mean, when I mean a minute or two, about 5 minutes for 6 minutes. Oh man, I'm sorry. Woo! Anyway, yeah, trying to get there, but a ridiculously long train. So I'll see you whenever I can get over into Harpers Ferry. I'll see you then. I'm crossing on the railroad bridge that's going over the Potomac down there, but that is Pennsylvania, and this is West Virginia. Oh man, this is a long time coming, and I cannot wait. This is awesome. Oh man, look at this view. That is so cool. Oh, I'm so happy to be over here. Another state down. Oh goodness. Well, it is almost 5 o'clock. We're not gonna make it in time. But anyway, I'll see you down the trail. Show you around town. Alright y'all, I'll see you.